He's on me! Get out! No!
Oh, there are holes.
I'm gonna go back up. What was that? I just saw. No, you punk!
Oh no! No.
It didn't. No!
Ah! Come here, Spider. Come to the trap.
There's a little fella.
I think we're dead, guys. No. Ah! Okay.
Oh, you got blood on the lever.
Ah! Hold my beer.
Hey, no, you guys.
Oh, this one is eclipsed. Do we want that?
Yes.
Yeah. That sounds horrible.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, everyone, cram on.
I don't want
drop
I'm
it.
scared of that one.
And don't use it.
Is that an option? Hi.
No.
Nope. He's gonna get screwed.
Oh, you all in the caves? Hello.
Yeah, hello, we're all here.
I
Is
was
it the
up there in
Toad
the
assault?
cave.
We gotta
No, I
do
was
it.
up here.
It's not up here.
What are you looking for?
The exit or something?
Oh yeah, I don't know yet.
I don't sniff penis.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Not on Tuesday.
Guess who got their powers? Are you sure?
Where's Clara at, bro?
She disappeared, I can't find her.
What?
Clara? She's literally right here.
She's right here.
Yeah, she's been with us the entire
I don't know where Clara is, I can't find her. She's gone. Wait for me! Wait! No! Josh! No!
Oh my god!
Oh!
You stuck down here with me.
He just jumped in.
Okay, well that's sad.
What, Red Dead?
Yeah.
Someone.
Man, imagine they had a push button.
Oh, it just pushed me out.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Dang it.
Does anybody hear me?
Yeah.
Hi.
Finn said something. I'm gonna go back down.
Oh shit.
Scream so loud, dude.
What did you say? I
Hi.
came back down.
Josh just screamed really loud.
Well.
Also, I found the
okay.
caves.
I'm good.
Look at my big bolt. I hold it high above everything else that I love. Because it's a big bolt.
You good?
Yeah.
Giants, be careful.
Oh, can't wait to get their attention.
Do I do what? How do you flirt? You pull out your favorite big bolt. Here, I'll let you practice.
No, I have
Pull
my, I
out
have
your-
my own. Well, see, that's
Oh,
where you.
perfect.
That's where you're
Okay.
wrong. It's a screw, not a bolt. You've already.
It's
fucked
called a
up.
big bolt.
I'm taking it.
Give me the thing. What? No, give me my bolt back.
Yeah. All right. There you go.
I don't know where it is. I've lost track of it. I'm done.
Hello.
I died, but I'm back alive. I'm here.
Opened up my eyes.
Bars.
Into my eyes. Feel the rain on your skin.
It's not the same song. Only you can let it loose. No one else can feel the rain on your Jenny.
Hey, send me in. Send me in. Captain, send me in.
Have fun.
Bye.
What map are we on?
I have no
Another
idea.
team?
Is this Val?
Oh, man. Another team, bro.
You
absolute punk. I was trying to go
Oh, you
up.
fucking kicked it.
Bye.
That's way more entertaining. Now we gotta make it out alive. The ball.
Josh is dead. You can. Well, I guess you can't TP him. I'll carry him back. Hello again.
Hello. Oh.
Hello?
Fellas?
Oh, dang it.
Fellers?
Hey, where are you guys?
Hello,
Clara,
we're in
be
caves.
careful.
Over here.
I don't know why, but Josh, Clara, Josh
Yeah?
was dead right here.
Where am I?
He was dead. He died right here when I came down.
There's
he
a
was already
yippee
down.
bug right here.
Where'd we go?
Oh. Are you behind a locked door?
I hear you guys.
Nah, we're stuck in caves.
Oh no. There's something
Getting
down here.
better.
Is it this way?
If it makes you guys feel
Oh.
any better, I can hear you.
I see the caves. I see the entrance. Follow my voice. I'm at the entrance. Hello? I found a soccer ball.
I hear Josh talking, but I know he's dead, so it's not really Josh.
Should we head on out?
How
You
do we
found
go
another
this way?
soccer
Is it
ball?
this way?
You guys found an exit?
I almost
It's
stuck.
here.
Oh, there is
Hello?
There was a landmine right here.
Hello?
You guys here?
Dude,
Hello?
how many of you guys are above us?
Josh stepped on a landmine. Oh, toilet paper. I can't
Did
carry
it?
that.
Oh, it's a mine.
67. Where are you? Okay. I saw the baby.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah,
Ah!
he's-
The baby! The
that was mine.
baby!
I'm
Guys,
waiting on
it's
the elevator.
baby!
It is the baby. Oh my god! 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 Go! 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 Who bumps mad at me? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to send you toilet paper.
What?
It's so funny.
It's
It
a
came
long
right in front
story.
of the
It's a long
door.
story. It's a
Oh,
long
who the fuck
story.
is what?
It's Josh. I saved him earlier.
What a little kid at the beginning.
Bird.
Uh-oh.
That thing be
Go
pecking.
this way. Come
Yo.
this way.
Yeah,
Come
that's
this way.
that's the fucking bird that I hate.
The bird
And
that I
it's
hate.
screaming, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to
Are
scream.
there
toilet
multiple?
paper at
Oh
me."
wait, no,
Alright.
someone's down there.
Red.
What
He's
is
got
he
a cash
Red, he
register.
found the
Hold on.
bird.
Hold on, my buddy needs help. I'll sacrifice.
Good luck, buddy.
Oh my god.
Oh no. What a disaster.
Those birds. Oh, you think he
My-
came out of that
Not only is
exit?
my brother dead, but there's a freaking woodpecker. Yeah, no, for sure he did.
What was
Whoa,
that?
what was
That was a scary noise. What the heck was that?
What? Is it after us? There's something here.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a giant.
Is it a giant?
It's a giant!
I think it's a giant.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but there's a giant.
I think Ethan's getting birded. I don't know.
Yeah, you think that was the scream from a bird?
Well, maybe.
Ethan
Are they
is
both
still
standing
alive.
there?
I think he might be. Is he dead?
He's.
Might
Is he being moved or is he moving?
I
He's
can't
moving.
even tell if he's moving.
Oh,
No,
he's dead now.
I don't think he's moving.
Yeah, no, Red's. Yeah, he's bringing the cash register. He's almost here.
He's back or something. I don't know.
No, Ray. I don't know what Ray's doing.
He's right there.
I'm coming.
right
I'm
there.
almost
He's
here.
right
I'm
there.
almost here.
Did Ethan?
Ethan's dead. He's
That's a
glitched.
sandworm. That's a sandworm. Never mind.
Yeah, there's a worm out there.
Ah, that's the least of my worries.
I'll
Oh
kick
my
the soccer
fucking
ball
god.
outside.
I want to kick it around.
Oh, 116.
That's pretty
Pretty
crazy.
good. Pretty
Oh my god.
good. Let's
That's pretty crazy.
good. Where'd it go?
jaking it.
Let's go.
I'm shaking it.
I'm so
I heard Ethan go, "That bird that I hate."
That fucking bird that I hate.
Bird that I don't
That fucking
enjoy.
bird that I hate. I fucking hate that thing. He cornered me.
Pretty
I think
fun.
it's
Kick
freaking
him
out.
out!
Okay.
It's getting glitched.
Clara's so profitable. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
How was Claire the most?
I don't know. I brought
Are
a
you back?
cookie
Oh,
mold.
you're bleeding.
Did I do good? Was
You did.
So-
You did save me.
That's good.
And we have a soccer
Alright,
ball
yeah.
still.
All right. Did you grab the
We're
other
getting
soccer
fat.
ball that I
Oh,
left?
I'm longer there.
No, my inventory is full.
I couldn't pick it up. I had my hands full.
Oh, go
It was
Oh,
Josh's
this
body.
is- It's going
amongst everything.
crazy.
ahead. Oh,
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 you ready?
caves again, caves again. Well, Claire's dead. So was Josh.
do we want to try and get the bees?
Yeah, give me a second.
I'm not good at it.
I've got a special touch.
I'll watch and learn.
Well, or you could, yeah, you could do that. Help me! Help me! Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. Hello?
Oh, yeah.
What's your deal, man?
Oh,
So
where'd it
much
go?
blood all over the
Oh.
floor.
Oh, Oh, nice.
You see?
Mm.
That's how you do it.
Mm.
Mm.
Most profitable.
Ooh,
Those
nice.
4 goddamn baking pans.
Yeah.
That's $200.
There are a lot of
just
baking
for, just for
cookie
4.
I had 2. I died with 2 cookie sheets.
There's so many cookies.
Did you get mowed down?
Yeah, we do company
company.
stuff, and then it'll save, and then we can leave.
Yeah.
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 Don't throw the soccer ball. Don't throw the soccer ball.
Goodbye, soccer ball.
Don't.
Ah!
Oh my
Don't sell
god.
the
Oh, I
soccer
thought someone
ball.
shot a gun.
I'm hurt.
Okay.
Does it not let me just sell these guys?
Can you not sell the Easter eggs?
I tried 2 already. You want to try one?
Stop.
Yeah, I'll try one.
It's
Please,
already hurt.
please, not while I'm here. Not while I'm here. I'm gonna die. You gotta stop doing that. I'm very
I
hurt.
didn't know that was.
What's the point of it if you can't sell it?
I'm extremely
The
in
fuck with
pain.
people?
We're not gonna sell everything, are we?
Okay, yes. Yeah, that's...
Oh, that's perfect.
Sorry.
Well, guess what we can get?
A teleporter.
A second inverse teleporter.
Yes.
We
We get a fancy table.
Can
We just buy a table.
We'll have enough for a moon. There we go.
Teleporter.
There you go. We still have 547.
Bye.
With a brush.
Good to start the show. I already started it.
Well
Good to start
done.
it. All right.
Mhm.
Submit to your company overlord.